A stern warning in the forest, the laughter of the toilet and the tears of the mud. The king of the forest announces. The Lion King, serious, but with a little drama in his voice. Listen, forest dwellers, I am the Lion King. From today, a new law has been introduced. No laughing in this forest. Punishment for showing teeth, punishment for shaking lips without teeth, punishment for moving cheekbones. Yesterday, I saw a monkey showing teeth and laughing, and a donkey braying so loudly that my head was burning. From now on, all faces must have a serious expression. Even if someone's stomach is rumbling, you must remain serious. Even if a mosquito bites you, you must not laugh. Even if a donkey sings, you must remain serious. Do you understand? Everyone together covering their faces in fear. Yes, King, we will not laugh. We will keep our faces as serious as if the police were making you a stand while taking pictures. Secret meeting in the toilet forest. Donkey whispering. Hey brother, I'm going to die like this. If I don't laugh, my chest will burst. When I try to hold back my laughter, I clench my teeth, and when I clench my teeth, the sound, knock knock knock, comes out. People think I'm playing the flute. Let's all go to the toilet and laugh, at least the king won't be able to see. Fox squinting. You're right, brother donkey. Install cameras in the forest, but don't dare to install them in the toilet. Even the king knows that the toilet is a sacred place, no entry here. Bear holding his stomach and suppressing laughter. I thought, we're all going into the toilet together. If people see it, they'll think there's a meeting in the toilet in the forest. Aha, then the news will be, emergency toilet meeting of forest animals. Everyone together, ha 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 ha. Secret laughter inside the toilet. Monkey sitting, suddenly farts. Pee 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 pee. Oh, Dad, when I fart, the sound is like a drum. I have my own concert sitting on the toilet. Meanwhile, when I try to hold back my laughter, my stomach twists, so I laugh while singing, pee 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 pee, ha ha ha. Elephant trying to hold back my laughter. I want to be quiet, but where does my seriousness go when I hear the monkey fart? If I laugh, my stomach shakes. And when my stomach shakes, the whole toilet shakes, it feels like an earthquake. Donkey with a serious expression. Once I went into the toilet and laughed so hard that the people next to me thought a ghost had entered. My voice was like, he, and the echo of the toilet added, he. If the king had heard it, he would have thought there is a commotion in the forest. Everyone burst into laughter again. The king gets the news. Crow reporting to the king. Your Majesty, everyone in the forest is so serious that it looks like a funeral is going on. But when you go to the toilet, oh my God, it's like a fair. Some are laughing, some are singing, and some are playing musical instruments with their feet while laughing. King with red eyes and roaring. What? I told you not to laugh. And they have made the toilet a stage? They need to be taught a lesson. The king appears in the toilet. Lion King entering in a serious manner. Hey, what are you doing? Are you opening a laughter club in the toilet? Are you not obeying my orders? Donkey squinting his eyes. Your Majesty, we are not in the forest. Your orders were for the forest. The toilet is a separate country, the toilet's constitution applies here. Fox hiding his smile. King, if you forbid us to laugh in the toilet too, we will only cry. But remember, if everyone cries, the toilet will be flooded with mud. Flood of muddy tears. Elephant rubbing his eyes and crying. O king, I will not laugh. I will cry. But my tears will become a river. The toilet will sink. Then everyone will build a boat and get out. Monkey crying with a frown. I'm crying ha ha hoo, hoo hoo. But my crying sounds like I'm laughing. King, please tell me, will I be punished for crying too? Bear sniffing and crying. My crying is so deep that it sounds like a flute. People will think that a music school has opened in the forest toilet. Ending with a burst of laughter. King shouting angrily. Shut up, I'm telling you to cry, you're crying. But crying and laughing can't be distinguished. Sometimes you think you're crying, and other times you think you're dying of laughter. Donkey in a serious manner. King, we're obeying you. We're not laughing, we're just crying. But the problem is that our crying is so funny that it makes you laugh. Monkey stumbling. Oh, father, there's a seed of laughter in these cries too. Everyone burst out laughing together. Ha 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 ha. The king finally couldn't hold back his laughter. Ha 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 ha. Stop, stop, I didn't give any more orders. From now on, everyone can laugh, but take the king with them. The last word. Laughter cannot be stopped. Laughter is the oxygen of life. So if you try to hold back laughter, even tears sound like laughter.